Here's how to use our new app to volunteer whenever and wherever. Once you install the app, swipe through the slides to get a quick understanding of how your research helps us. After that, start your account creation. First, put in your date of birth to verify that you are at least 13 years old. Next, put in your preferred email and password that you would remember. Now, let's set up your profile by entering your first and last name if you so choose. Choose a fun profile picture you think best represents you, or just because you like how it looks. If you want, you can answer 5 additional questions so that we can better understand you as a person and assign tasks compatible with your interests. You can set up a goal for however many hours you want to volunteer your time. Lastly, to encourage truth and respect for other people's work, we ask that you don't plagiarize, that you fact-check your work, and that you use open source media. Congratulations, now you can start researching. By choosing a project, you're given a list of consonants to give you a more broad list of instruments to browse through. Or, if you have a specific instrument in mind, then you can search for it in the search bar above. If you want, you can invite some friends to help you research, but if you're active for 4 weeks or more, then the project will be made available for others to volunteer to work on. If you no longer want to work on your chosen project, you can remove it yourself so that another volunteer can work on it. Once you start, you're given a list of questions to answer to help guide your research. It's okay if you can't find answers to some of your questions. There are a lot of questions, so take your time and answer them in whatever order you want. To invite friends, go to More Actions, Invite Partners, and enter in their email addresses to send them an invite link. You can check how much total time you spent researching, as well as how much of your goal you've completed in your volunteer time log. To record the time you spent researching, enter it in your time log either using the preset times or by entering a custom amount of time. After logging in your research time, you can also check history to see how much time you've logged in, when you logged it in, and for what project. To verify your hours and receive verification documents, choose what hours you want verified and enter which email you want the document sent to. Have a fun time researching, and thank you for volunteering.